Everyone, welcome to Imperial Garden double break number 1184 of 1516 Upper Deck Black Diamond. Last team in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on January 25th at 6:48 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And to our current date and time, click refresh, and it's currently Tuesday, January 26th at 12:23 a.m. Eastern Time. And we are live on Breakers TV here as per normal. And for anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, really appreciate you did, you can register your account there. We do have a few breaks for Wednesday here. We'll probably send emails out here sometime tomorrow. Get them filled up. Number 1184. And these are boxes 3 and 4 from our case. So I don't have any serial numbers just because we opened our case before we listed our break. So we'll post Black Diamond break 1183 below, which was done yesterday. We did hand number them and reference them. So it was 4638 7339 for the next two boxes. Why is that control? Super bright light there. Let's go over the rest of the shrink wrap here. It's factory sealed. So let's give 1 second, guys. Hey Keith, hey Polly. Yeah, Ultimate got done yesterday. Was still actually waiting for a couple payments on it still. 4638. Or we did it yesterday morning there. Still waiting on a few payments, that's why you can't see it. Nothing crazy, like Yakupov out of 99 was probably the big hit, I think, from yesterday's break. And we started off with a gold parallel version. This is the second one of these we've hit. We got a 3-color, 2-color, 3-color, 3-color exquisite quad patch of Jacob Delarose, number 5 of 10, going out to the Montreal Canadiens. So that's the gold version. No diamond. So here we go. So we got base card of Ryan Getzlaf, 65 of 99, going out to the Ducks. And that being gold, I don't know if it has an auto or not on it. Oh no, it's the team logo jumbos, number 8 of 15, going out to the New York Rangers of Brian Leetch. Brian Leetch, number 8 of 15. And our next one is a pure black signatures of Anze Kopitar, number 92 of 99. 92 of 99 for the LA Kings. And we got a gold dual booklet relics, number 4 of 10, going out to the New Jersey Devils. Most likely dual patches. And nice 3-color. And actually 3 colors on Corey Schneider too. There's a bit of red up top there. It's a nice hit there for New Jersey. I'm just going to turn that back over. There's nothing else behind that. And finish up box 1 off with a rookie gems of Dylan Larkin, number 310 of 399, going out to the Detroit Red Wings. Box 4, 7339. It's pretty thin pack there. I don't know if our diamond's going to be in this one. And next one is a 2-color, number 60 of 149 for the Arizona Coyotes of Max Domi. Max Domi. Oh, yeah, it's a plastics package here. So we start this break off with a Black Diamond Black base parallel, Jamie Benn out of 99 for the Dallas Stars. And the next one, Going out to the Boston Bruins, we got a team logo jumbos of Malcolm Subban. Going out to Boston. And our next one is a silver on black rookie signatures autograph of Sam Bennett. Number 52 of 199 for the Calgary Flames. Sam Bennett, Calgary. And we have a Sam Bennett Rookie Materials Placards jersey, $2.99 for the Calgary Flames. And finishing up our box with a signature placards of John Klingberg. Going out to the Dallas Stars on this one. And I don't think there's a serial number on this one. No. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So we got the last box from this inner case. Should contain our diamond tomorrow, along with one box from the other inner from the master case there. And we got boxes 3 and 4 of Trilogy for tomorrow night.